Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be talking about trying to reach that 4,000 watch hours on YouTube. Now if you're like me, I'm only at 302 hours, unfortunately. 302 hours, but I have to blame myself because I haven't been consistent and I've been putting out videos like I want to. But today we're going to talk about challenging ourselves to try to get to that 4,000 watch hours because the goal is to get monetized. So if you're interested in hearing some of my tips on how to do that, keep watching. So there are some people that can go viral and just hit that 4,000 watch hours, and there's other people that have to take their time and get there. That's okay. I'm going to talk about tips on how you do that, and I want to challenge you because if you're like me and you're not monetized and you're not close to that goal yet, we're going to challenge ourselves and we're going to get to that goal. And I'm going to talk about these tips and what we're going to do, and we're going to do check-ins every week to talk about where and how we're getting to our goal. Okay, so the first tip I have is to focus, and I have everything written down, so I am going to be referring back to my notes because I did some research on this because like I said, I want to be intentional and I want to make sure that I reach these goals. I don't have a time on when I want to get there, but I know I want to do it. Okay, so number one, focus on engaging content. You have to focus on what your audience is looking for. And how you do that is when you do videos, you go back and you look at it and you see if you have any interaction with that video. And if you do videos and you find that there's a lot of interaction and that's what your audience want, go ahead and do more of those videos, right? You want to create content that resonate with your target audience. Analyze which videos are getting the most views and watch time, then make more of those type of videos. So if you do a video and it's about organizing and you look back and you look at the analytics and you realize that, wow, I'm getting a lot of views on this, then go ahead and make another video like that related to organizing because it seems like your audience like that. Okay, aim for videos that offer value, whether that's through tutorials, entertaining content, or information your audience is seeking. So that's number one. Move on to number two. Number two is optimize your video length. So the recommended time for your videos will be 10 to 20 minutes. And you want to keep your audience engaged in the video so that they're not looking at your video for 5 minutes and deciding, well, this is not interesting, and move on to another creator. So you want to brainstorm and come up with interesting topics that will capture your audience attention. You can't do shorter videos, but if you do shorter videos, you have to make sure that it's very interesting, that they continue to watch it throughout. Okay, that's number two. Number three, encourage viewers' interaction. You want to interact with your viewers. So you want to keep them entertained. You want to ask them to, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, those type of things, right? Use features like YouTube end screen and cards to direct viewers to other videos on your channel. When your video is towards the end, and then on that screen you can have where you can check out other videos on your YouTube channel. So that keeps them engaged and viewing more content on your channel, right? Prompt viewers to comment, like, and share your video. You want to have them engaged and keep them engaged. And you can say it all the time, every time you end your video. Comment, subscribe. If you enjoy the content, please comment below and consider subscribing, because you want to encourage them to subscribe and to comment, right? Number four, create a series or playlist. This is a big one, right? Organize your content in playlists and encourage viewers to watch them. Playlists can improve watch time because viewers are more likely to watch multiple videos in a row. So good thing, right? We have the holidays coming up, we have Christmas coming up, and this is the best time to start a Christmas series, right? And then you have a playlist with nothing but Christmas. So when somebody is searching for Christmas ideas and they come to your page, it's likely if they watch your first Christmas video and if they like it, they'll just go on to the next one and watch the whole playlist, which increases the watch time, because what the goal is to reach that 4,000 watch hours, because we want to get monetized. All right, so number 5, optimize title, thumbnails, and description. Titles are very important because if somebody's searching for something, they're going to put in the search what they're looking for. And a description, if they're searching for, videos about, about encouragement, or videos about, like I said, organization or home decor, they're going to type in the search what they're looking for. So if your video is about home decor, make sure in your description you have that in your description. Your thumbnail should coincide with that. Your thumbnail is very important. People look at thumbnails and they're attracted to it, and it's like, oh, I want to see this, and they'll click on it. So you have to make sure you take your time and you do a very good thumbnail, title, and description. Consider adding keywords to your title and description, keywords to your title and description that align with what your target audience is searching for. So, when you do the hashtag, like hashtag home interior, hashtag motivational, hashtag organization, you want to add those as well. Number 6, you want to promote your video outside of YouTube, right? So if you have a Instagram, Twitter, once you upload your video and you let it sit for a minute, then you decide to go on your YouTube and put in your stories. Like I did that today. I uploaded my video yesterday, but I went to Instagram today and I put in the stories, new video, and I linked it so that if I have people on my Instagram that's interested in watching my videos, they could just click on it and go directly to my video. So make sure you promote your video outside of YouTube, and you can do that on blog posts and share them on relevant online communities to increase reach. You want the goal is to direct people to your channel so that more people are looking at your videos and you may end up gaining more subscribers, right? That's the goal. Let's move on to number 7. So number 7, analyze your analytics. Analyze your analytics. And you know how to get to your analytics. That's on the YouTube Studios. And you want to go and check out and see how your video is performing. You can see how many people, how many subscribers you gained from that video, the watch time. You want to analyze those videos, and if it's performing well, you know what you have to do. The next video, you do typically the same subject because you see that's what people are gravitating to on your channel, right? Use YouTube analytics to track what's working and where you're losing viewers. Pay attention to metrics like audience retention and average view duration. Improve areas where viewers drop off or skip part of your video. So let's say when you look at your analytics, you see that, let's say you have a long intro. I have to shorten my intro because I do have a long one. And you see people are dropping off right there. Guess what? Get rid of that intro or shorten it and make it really short. If you see that people are dropping off because maybe you're rambling on too long about one particular subject that they're not interested in, you have to analyze your video to see what's working for you, what's gonna get you more views, and what's gonna make you successful. All right, number 8, leverage live streams. This is something that I have not done. If you have live streamed on YouTube, leave a comment below, tell me how that is, but that is one of the recommendations to gain more views, to gain more subscribers. Live streams tend to generate a lot of watch time, especially if you have an engaged audience. So if you're one of those that love to vlog, and when you vlog, you see people are engaged and entertained, this is for you. Live streaming is for you. Consider in your live stream, consider doing Q&As, tutorials, or events that fit your channel's theme and involve your viewers. So let me know, have any one of you done a live stream? I have to look into that to see how that works because I'm interested in also doing that. Okay, so moving along, number 9, post consistently. That's my problem, y'all. Post consistently. We hear that all the time, right? You have to be consistent. That's my problem, that I haven't been consistent. I was on YouTube years ago, came back, dropped off, came back. Okay, this is my second video for this month, but before that, I haven't made a video for 8 months. That's horrible. So you have to be intentional. You have to be consistent. If you want your channel to grow, you want watch time, you have to put in the appropriate amount of work. So post consistently. And what I see that I need to do is schedule videos. Like, do 2 videos. Sometimes you get dressed up to do your video, and why waste that? Do 2 videos. Or if you're doing a video about something and it's a long topic, cut it in half and make a part 1 and post part 1 and have part 2 for next week. Okay? If you're consistent, if it's every Wednesday, do every Wednesday. If you decide that you're going to randomly post, but make sure you're posting consistently. Regular uploads keep audience engaged and give YouTube more content to suggest to new viewers. Aim for a consistent schedule that your audience can rely on, even if it's once a week. Just be consistent. That's really, really big. And I noticed that with me, because when I was on YouTube years ago, I was more consistent and I was gaining subscribers and view times and all that good stuff. Okay, the last tip about trying to reach that 4,000 watch hours is collaborate with other creators. I used to do that back in the days, right? If you and somebody else have the same niche and you guys are doing similar videos, collaborate with them. And what that does is you're gonna have viewers that you're gonna have subscribers that they have that you don't have, and vice versa. And it's going to introduce those viewers to your channel, and then your viewers to the person that you're collabing with, their channel. So you end up gaining subscribers and you end up gaining more watch time, and that's the goal. So those are the 10 tips, right? Collaborating with creators in your niche can help you tap into new audience and increase watch time by bringing more viewers to your channel. Okay, the topic here is growing to 4,000 watch hours. Be patient. It's going to take time. It's going to take persistence, and it's going to take dedication. So this is a challenge that I'm doing for me because, and right now I noted what I'm starting with, 302 watch hours, which is sad, but you know, we're gonna work on this. If you want to do this challenge with me because you're, you know, striving to get to your 4,000 subscribers as well, comment below. Let me know how much how many watch hours you have right now. Put in the comment, put what your goals are. Of course, it's 4,000 watch hours, but start thinking about, okay, what is it you're gonna do? I gave you 10 pointers on what to do. Start getting your mindset to, this is what I want to do. Start envisioning, this is what I want my channel to look like in the near future. So if you're ready for this challenge, let's do it. Let's get it done. Every week, I'm going to come back with some more tips, and we're going to talk about and comment about how far we're getting, if we have reached more audiences, and we're gonna get there. All right, so that's my topic for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's be intentional and let's grow our channel. All right, y'all have a good one. Bye.